Hello everyone. So my company is Pure Hand Sanitizer. This is a company, it's an organization actually. It supplies sanitizer which makes you safe in the fight against coronavirus. I have made a PPT I can share with you the points. Industry overview is here. The hand sanitizer manufacturing industry had experienced a healthy growth with total industry revenue expected to rise. This growth can largely be attributed to heightened consumer health consciousness over the past 5 years, leading to rise in total health expenditure. So here is the summary. In this time period, we came to know about the shortages of many essential items in the market. So, those are masks, hand sanitizer, antiseptic liquid, and food items. People are wanting to buy it, but in case of shortages of these things, they are not bargaining for the product. In this shortages of things, some dishonest minds are taking a huge amount of profit. In that situation, we plan to start a new business. Here in chemistry labs of different colleges, we will get isopropyl alcohol or ethanol, which is needed 96%, and glycerol, which is needed 98%, and hydrogen peroxide, which is needed 3%, and boiled cold water. We can mix and we can make our product. So how to make? There are two formulations. One for formulation 1 reagents ethanol 96%, hydrogen peroxide 3%, glycerol 98% and boiled cold water. For formulation 2 reagents are isopropyl alcohol or ethanol 99.8%, hydrogen peroxide 3% and glycerol 98% and boiled cold water according to WHO. So, the marketing strategies are digital marketing and home delivery process can make our business in the right track. Obviously, Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, YouTube, everything everything's are there to marketize our product. Low cost compared to other products will make a good number of consumers. It will be delivered to all local areas and shopkeepers, so it will be available in urgent situation. There will be a customer care number for feedback by which customers can relate with us. We will cover it with good design which will make it different. We will add 20% extra from our second delivery which will connect with more customers in the market. So here is a manpower plan. We will take total 20 persons and 5 persons will make the sanitizer in the lab. 3 persons will take the responsibilities of the quality including a doctor. 5 persons will take the responsibilities to deliver the product in the market. 3 persons will take the responsibilities of all financial matters and 2 persons will take the responsibilities of marketing our product in digitally world and by making posters with a target, and other will find investor for the growth of the product. So here is the plan to make a business and to make a profit. Thank you.